Well, hello. I don't think I've recorded a video like this for a long time, but I got a new phone. So, the quality of these videos are going to be going up significantly. I got quite the upgrade. Don't know what that's about. I got quite the upgrade from what I have now. Currently, I have the Huawei Honor 7X X7, whatever it is. It is not ideal. As you can see by the way, it just like focuses in and out. It glitches randomly, makes weird noises, the video cuts out. It's just not great quality, super slow, glitchy all the time. It was like the year-old model when I got it, and that was 4 years ago. And it was like the cheap Chinese knockoff of an iPhone, like 10. So not that great to begin with. But now I have the Pixel 5. Google Pixel 5. And it was between this and the other option that I was going for was the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, but this was what I chose because it has a better video stabilization. So let's go. Ooh, look at that. All right. Ooh, it's very nice. All right. Now it only came in black and this color, which is called what is it called? Something beige, something I forget. Anyways, I didn't get black because black is more expensive. This has a fingerprint sensor on the back, just like my current phone, which is awesome. So definitely, it feels about the same weight as my current phone. It's an interesting textured back. I'm definitely going to be getting a case and a screen protector. There's already smudges on there. But, power button, volume button. There's the SIM card tray. USB Type-C here on the bottom. And, camera is in the corner. So, got that. Let's see what else we got in the box. There's the SIM tool. Right there. SIM card tool. Nice presentation. Got a little sheet that says Google on it. Setting up your Pixel, USB support, SIM card tray, Pixel imprint, which is the fingerprint sensor. Set up your new Pixel. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Follow the on-screen steps to set up. Quick switch adapter. So I guess I'll be plugging in my old phone to my new phone, which means I can't really show that on camera because that is my phone. So I got that. I'm going to put this back in here for safekeeping. It's very nice presentation there. Aha! Looky here. We have a cable, USB-C to USB-C. So it's USB-C on both ends here. And it's wrapped up in this nice piece of cardboard here. There's even a clip to clip the ends together, I guess. I don't know how that's supposed to work. We've got an adapter from a regular USB cord to a USB Type-C, which I'm assuming I'm just going to plug in the cord from my old phone and plug it into my old phone and then plug this into my new phone. And we have the charging brick. This is a pretty hefty charging brick. It's pretty heavy. It's pretty big, but it is 20 watts. I don't know if you can see that. Come on, focus. Yeah, there we go. 20 watt charging brick. So very nice, very nice. I like its paper packaging, right? This isn't super plasticky. This is paper. So good for the environment too. Even like the band on here, this is paper. I'm not gonna rip it though because I want to keep this together. This is paper. It's all paper. So I mean, it's even a cardboard box. I think the only piece of plastic here is the plastic that's over the screen. And that's it. Whoa, ho, ho. The big reveal. Big reveal. Let's peel this off, right? Look at that. No going back now. This is the cleanest this screen will ever look. So, gotta enjoy it now while I can. Super shiny. Look at that. Very nice. Fits all in my hand. It's about the same size as my old phone. Actually, let me hold it up to it. Yeah, I think it's pretty much the same size. Once it has a case on it, it'll be the same. Oh no, lens is already dirty. Ah, definitely gonna need a case and a screen protector. I'm actually gonna get privacy screen protectors. I haven't ordered them yet, but they're the kind that basically you can look at it straight on, but anything more than like a 35-degree angle, it's dark. So I'm going to get those. I'm going to get screen protectors for the lens as well, because the lens does stick out a slight bit, if you can see there. Not as much as like an iPhone. Those are ugly and terrible bumps, but this is just a tiny little sticking out. Not bad at all. So yeah, guess I will turn it on now. Hold this down. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Wow, that screen is nice. So my old phone has a little forehead and a chin, and this is much nicer. Wow, the colors are so much better. Wow, this is just nice to look at compared to my old phone. Look at that. Oh, wow. Hi there, it says. Start. Okay. I am going to turn off the camera now, because obviously I have to take the SIM card out of the phone I'm currently using to record this to finish setup. But yeah, that's the unboxing of the Google Pixel 5. This is the flagship from 2 years ago, and I did no longer make it, but you can get it on Amazon. This was $4.99 when I got it. Actually, I think it went down to $4.94 after tax. Of course, it's more, but pretty good considering the specs. And I wasn't going to be spending $1,000 on a phone, so that's that. Video over. Coolio. And you'll probably notice right here, got the box for something that I'll be doing soon. Got an SD card for that thing. And I've got some other stuff to unbox too, like this. So keep an eye out for those videos. I'm going to record them in much higher quality with this new phone that is capable of 4K. So, ta-da! That's the end of this video.